Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then, we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So, meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Sagittarius, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. So, dito ay isang timeless money career reading for you. So, pwede itong mag-resonate sa inyo sa past, sa present, at sa future. So, panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, so let us see, Sag. Sa money muna tayo, sa pera. Kaperahan ng mga Sag. Recent past. Ano yung recent past? The world. Uy, parang meron kayong na-achieve na, parang, alam ba, nag-set kayo ng goal, no, for a certain amount of money. Meron kayong na-achieve. Oo. Yung mga ipon nyo dyan. Bawa nag-set kayo, maka 100,000 kayo na ipon for sa loob ng 2 months. Ayun. It's like a certain achievement that you've had. Parang you've been trying to achieve in the past years. And finally, nakuha mo na. Kahit ano man to, can be material things, bahay, lupa, kotse. So, your current energy is the 8 of Cups. Oh. You're going to leave a situation that is no longer serving your highest good. So, pwedeng yung iba, meron kayong iiwanang pinagkakakitaan, no? To pursue a new path. Parang may bago kang path. Kasi the world is also about ending a cycle in your life. So currently, meron kang iniiwanan na pinagkakakitaan mo, na sa tingin mo, you've done your part, and it's time to pursue other things. Tingnan natin yung future sa finances, near future. The Hanged Man. I think, whatever this is that you are going to pursue in the future, this may take a while bago mo makita yung resulta niya. Kaya kailangan niya ng patience. Yes. Kailangan ikaw ay willing to wait. Hindi mo dapat minamadali kung ano man tong gusto mong simulan ngayong present moment. Kasi sa past, this may require a lot of hard work or kailangan mong mas maging mapagpasensya sa mga proseso na kailangan mo pagdaanan. So, sa iyo namang career, ano yung recent past ng career? 7 of Cups. Yung iba sa inyo, litong-lito sa trabaho. Pwedeng, yung iba nagmo-multitask, maraming trabaho na sinusubukan, kung ano-ano, no? So, pag masyadong nahahati yung oras at panahon mo sa trabaho, sa career mo, nagkakaroon ng imbalance. Tingnan natin yung current situation ng inyong career. You have the 6 of Wands. Oh, this is success. I think you have achieved, meron ka talagang ma-achieve, no? Or na-achieve na goal mo sa buhay pagdating sa career mo. And meron siyang naging epekto sa finances mo. And I think you are being celebrated sa career mo, sa trabaho mo, dahil sa pinakita mong galing, sa pinakita mong talento. But I also see na bukod sa trabaho na meron ka ngayon, meron ka pang gustong i-explore. Kasi maaring may mga nag-open na iba't ibang opportunity for you. What is the near future for the career? You have the Wheel of Fortune. Ooh, this is movement. This is also karma. And direction. So, there's a new direction for you pagdating sa trabaho mo. Na kung saan, mas magle-level up ka. Oo. So, halimbawa ngayon, yes, nare-recognize ka, successful ka sa career mo, but maaring merong offer na opportunity sa'yo elsewhere that will lead you to elevate, no? Parang iaangat mo yung iyong estado sa buhay pagdating sa career mo. Pwedeng parang promotion siya kasi mas malaki yung sweldo mo or mas mataas yung iyong posisyon. Pwedeng may leadership role. So, ano ang advice sa mga Sag? Oh, keep going, keep moving. Wow. Kasi you are going towards your success with the Chariot. May triumph talaga for you, Sag. And then the Empress, wow, I love this. There's abundance. Whatever this is na gusto mong i-pursue, Sagittarius, no? Lalo na kung ito'y investment or iba pang pagkakakitaan. Kailangan lang na pagdaanan mo yung proseso, wag mong madaliin. Kasi worth it to eh. This is going to be worth it. This will really work for your own benefit, for your own good. There's abundance. And I think, mas lalo mong magagamit yung iyong creative talents, yung skills mo rito. This can be related sa, kung ang business or trabaho, career mo related sa transportation, communication, beauty, health and wellness. Yes, andoon ang success. Challenge yourself to do what you think you can't. Oh, ayan na. You are challenging yourself. That's why with the 8 of Cups here, meron kang susubukan, ipupursue. Something better awaits, Sagittarius. Wow. Keep going, keep moving, keep pushing. Skilled. Investing on your skills is a great way to generate income. You can provide services using your expertise to build a stable business. So, like what I mentioned kanina, you are going to upskill, no? Mag-i-invest ka sa skills mo. Kung ano yung kaalaman mo ngayon, abilidad mo, talento mo, iaangat mo pa yan. You are a Sagittarius and you like learning. You like to seek for a higher purpose, and that's what's going to happen sa inyo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Sagittarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Sagittarius. See you again.